Yeah. Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at doing a side-by-side, and we have received the easy tip letter. We have baggage tag 20, and if you look at this list right here, it says tag number 20 is for consecutive cruises to another ship. So a side-by-side means you are going on a different ship right after the one you're getting disembarking from. And so it's telling us where to go and when our number will be called. So we get a later departure, and we will show you what the other steps involved. But we do get a shuttle over to the other vessel from this vessel when we disembark. At least that's our understanding. We talked to guest services, and they set this up for us. So let's see how the process happens. All right, guys, we've been called. We are headed outside to see what our transfer looks like. Here we go, back in port. We got our luggage tag, and we're about to get off the ship. Right, we just checked out of the ship. We're walking down the gangway. We gotta go through immigration and customs, and then we'll be outside the port, and we'll see where our shuttle is at that point. All right, they told us to go over to the BTM bus, which is the shuttle service for the ship. So we're gonna see if we're gonna end up going over to Terminal 1 for the next cruise. All right, guys, we got confirmation. That is our coach. They will pick us up around 9 o'clock to take us over to Terminal 1. So we'll just have to wait now out here.
Sure.
We're on the transfer over to the other port. Almost at Terminal 1. I dropped off by the bus. We're gonna follow all the people getting off of the ship, and we gotta head over to the boarding area over there. It says welcome. We'll drop off our bags and wait in line to get on board. Probably better to do a back-to-back than a side-to-side.